It is very easy to use Cash App Auto Accept Payment. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Balance tab located at the bottom center of the app. This will display your Cash App balance and transaction history. Now, if you are expecting a payment from someone, you can generate a payment request by tapping on the Request button and entering the amount you're requesting. You can then send the request to the person who owes you money. When someone sends you a payment on the Cash App, you will receive a notification on your device. You can also periodically check your transaction history to see if any payments have been received. Once you receive a payment notification, open the Cash App and navigate to the Activity tab, which is the clock icon at the bottom. After that, you should see the pending payment listed there. Next, tap on the payment to view its details. To accept the payment, tap on the Accept or Confirm button. The funds will be added to your Cash App balance. Now, if you want to transfer the funds from your Cash App balance to your linked bank account, you can do so by tapping on the Cash Out or Transfer button and following the prompts.